Yo, last recap of the day, gold long, 3.4 hour long. This is about my 50th time recording this because I keep missing information or messing up. Hopefully this is one. But yeah, I played the mirror version of this 5 day composite. Wanted to play the traversal, which would have been 10 hour, but it was a future trade and I can't hold for that long as market is closing soon. I just wanted to get out and finish trading for the day. But yeah, I'll just walk you through my mindset for the trade and my idea. So obviously I wanted to play the return pullback of this composite, right? We had price accept into here. This is where I was waiting for a retest. I had my eye on the CVAL basically. We had three things. We had a gap that hasn't been tapped. We had obviously composite value area low, and we also had the golden pocket. So I was really hoping, to at least get a retest of that and then long upon the change in momentum. Unfortunately, initially we had a front run, right? So like if front run that, and then upon the change in momentum here is where I longed, right? We had good reaction there, and I thought we'd trade up from there, and I thought that was a retest. I ended up moving my stops just below that wick there. Um, Unfortunately, that wasn't the case. Price just ended up, coming down from that point on, and then actually going to my place of interest. On the micro gold, it kind of went below the GP, but if you look on like a Wanda gold, tapped into that perfectly. Um, so yeah, it's pretty clean. Obviously, tapped that area, had really good reaction off that, and yeah, we began trading up from there. Um, and yeah, we just ended up mean reverting. I put this volume profile here just say because we were ranging for a bit, and I wasn't really putting any significance on it. Just wanted to see how price was moving and wanted to see like a breakout from it. But obviously we broke out. It actually retested that and then just went to POC. And yeah, this is where I TP'd pretty much. Pretty clean trade. I just moved my only thing really was move my stops from here to my normal stops, and then I think I did trail it to this low here because when I gave the retest, um, yeah, I just trailed my stops here. Right, had a good reaction. We started trading up, so I decided to trail my stops, and yeah, ended up TPing here. But yeah, it was a really good complementary trade. Honestly, I'm really happy with it. It was classic return pullback. I think one thing to note is obviously I was on a really low time frame. Um, so obviously on the low time frames, like it looks like a lot more. You know, sometimes you just forget about the higher time frames, or maybe you don't. Maybe you're pro trader, but yeah, I did not ignore, but I should have really been looking at the higher time frames as well, because yeah, on like a high time frame like that, it looks like the cleaner retest, right? Um, but yeah, really good trade. And yeah, happy with it.